Hello everyone, this is Jay and it's Sunday, so I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on the portfolio. What did I buy on Friday as a DCA investor? I'm also gonna show you the picks for the November's weekly challenge to see which one are you gonna vote for in the poll that I'm gonna post later today. And then I wanted to talk a little bit about my debt, but I want to make a separate video to see if I didn't have that debt and I put that money in some of my investments, how it would have performed and what kind of portfolio I would have had right now, right? But let's go first into the buys, and I made 5 purchases as you can see right here. And of course, I started with SCHD, my number one purchase this week. Once again, 2 full shares. $56.32 total in purchase. Share price was at $28.16. I really like that I'm accumulating shares much faster now, and it's motivating me actually to buy a little bit more. But I was able to deposit an extra $30, which went towards SCHD. And then my second purchase was the S&P 500 Index Fund FXAIX, $10. I've been doing $10 weekly into my S&P. Share price was at $199.10. And then my third purchase was $10 into VYM. Share price was at $127.80. And then I put another $10 into Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. It almost was under $160. I think it did go under $160, but at the time that I was making the purchases, it was at $160.55. So I didn't mind putting another $10 into that position. And then my last buy was Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE, my only position in the red. $6 I just put into that position. Share price was at $28.21, and I spent a total of $92.22. And I have another $36 that I'm gonna put towards the pick that you guys are gonna select for the weekly challenge. Which is this one right here. I have all 4 picks. If you guys are new to the channel, this challenge started, if we go back up, it started February this year with an idea from Jeremy, and then Legendary was also backed up to it, which it was I wanted to buy some Apple. I just didn't know when to buy some Apple, and I wanted to grow that position a little bit more. So we kind of did like a weekly challenge, a friendly weekly challenge, and I put $10 into Apple. It doesn't hurt to put just $10 into Apple. If you see, the share price was at $189, $181, and it was expensive then in February. Now Apple is like at $222 a share. So it was a very good challenge. It helped me buy some of these positions, like for example Starbucks also was another one, Visa, Vici. And then for this month, for last month, for the month of October, we selected Visa, where I had $35. I was putting $39 on Visa. And if you guys see right here, it was at $275, $289, $285, $284, but now it's at $290 a share. And for November, these are gonna be the picks. I'm not gonna put Visa, so you guys, Visa is not gonna win again. I'm gonna invest on Visa separately. And the very first pick that I selected for this November weekly challenge is gonna be FXAIX, my S&P 500 Index Fund. I want to grow it a little bit more. So I wanted to be on this weekly challenge so I could put the regular $10 and then a little bit extra. So this is probably, if this one is selected, it's going to be about $25 on a weekly basis into the S&P 500. I want to grow this position slightly more. So this is one of the picks. And then the very next one is KO Coca-Cola. Is one of the positions at the very bottom of my portfolio. If we go take a look right here and we go into my portfolio, Coca-Cola is at the very bottom pretty much, right above Apple right here. I only have 7.6 shares, and the price right now, the share price right now is at $65.01, and my cost per share is at $57.74. The share price has gone up, so that's why I haven't bought anymore. But I want to put some more money towards Coca-Cola. I want to grow this position right here. So that's gonna be one of my weekly challenge picks. Let's see if that one wins, or maybe the S&P wins, or maybe this one, which it is Vici Properties, ticker symbol VICI. I do want to grow this position mainly because it pays off in those off months like January, April, July, October, where I need to grow my dividend income. And the share price is not that bad right now. It is at $31.44. My cost per share is at $30.01. I know I am in the green by 4%, but I'm okay to buy some more on this one. 19.9 shares as of right now. And this is one that I want to grow because it pays the dividend in those off months. The company has been performing very well. They had an earnings release recently, and they did well also. So that's why I don't mind buying some more on these Vici Properties. And then my next one, I haven't bought this one in quite some time. Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG. This is another position that it has fallen a lot. I remember maybe over a year ago, it was over here at the top 10, top 7 positions, but now has dropped because my cost per share is at $138.86. I don't think Procter & Gamble has been at that price in quite some time. So that's why I haven't really bought. But I have 3.7 shares. The share price right now is at $165.10. That's why my position is in the green by 18%. So this is another one that it pays in those off months too, like February, May, August, and November. So that's another position that I want to grow, mainly for that income in those months, to grow that income in those months. But this is also a good defensive company. So this is one of the picks also that I want to win. I don't mind if any of the 4 win, to be honest with you, because these are really positions that I really want to grow. So I'm going to put out like about $30. I did forget to buy some Visa this week. I was thinking about the weekly challenge, so I might have to make like a $20 deposit and buy some Visa on Monday together with this. Maybe like $10-15. So I'm going to do that. But let me know what is your pick. I'm gonna post the poll later on so we can have fun and see which one are you guys gonna vote for. And this position is gonna take like about $30 on the very first weekly purchase in November. And then now let's go into my dividend portfolio, which you guys were looking at it already. $17,739 in market value, 12% in the green. My portfolio has been taking a hit as of lately. I'm still almost $2,000 in the green, which is awesome. But this is gonna give me some opportunities to buy some more of my positions. Especially I bought more J&J, but I want to buy a little bit more J&J. But I think $10 is okay as of right now. I'll probably go up in buying money, like meaning buying a little bit more of J&J. But as of right now, it is above my cost. My cost per share is 157. If it goes under, then I put more than $10 into this position. All realty income, it has been taking a dip. Right now, the share price is at $58.88, and my cost per share is $57.54. So that might be another opportunity to grow my monthly income with this REIT right now. And that will also help me boost the income on those off months that I want to grow the income. Especially, I am going to make, hopefully this week, maybe today, if I have some time, I want to make the dividend income received in October video. So I'm going to try to do that. In this one, I'm in the green by 2.32%, only by $38. And it's one of my top 3 positions, as you can see right here. Visa has been going up. It's now the 6th position in this portfolio, 3.779 shares. As you can see, I'm in the green by 7% with Visa. The share price is at $290.74. I remember when I first started buying in the 270s, I felt like it was expensive, but look at it right now, $290. That's why I'm buying on a weekly basis. This company just continues to show some very, very good earnings. So that's why I'm gonna continue buying because I believe in it long term. And I believe $290, $270 is going to be cheap when we look at it 10, 15 years from now. And then VG is another one that I want to grow. As I've explained before, 19.9 shares in the green by 4%. And then Apple is like my last position right here, 1.9 shares. I'm in the green by 56%. It's performing very, very well. But it feels, I don't know, I'm having my thoughts on Apple. I do like the company long term for sure. But let me see. Let me see if I plan something else. And then SCHD, 156 shares. I'm really excited about that. 12% in the green in this position. And my cost per share is at $25.08. The share price right now is at $28.10. If it goes down to $25 again, I'm telling you, I am going to buy heavily into this position. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna try to throw some extra money into this one. Um, and then let's go real quick into the growth portfolio. This one I did not make any purchases. I deposited 20 bucks into it once again. I have $141 in cash as of right now. And as you can see right here, VGT is my top position, 21% in the green, 72 $72 in the green right now. I don't have one share yet. This is one that costs a lot to buy one full share. My cost per share is $484. I started buying this one like about $10 around there when it was around $411. Can you guys believe that? But yes, this one $484 cost per share, and the share price right now it is at $586. FNILX 18.2 shares, and I'm in the green by 21%. This position is performing very nicely. I gotta buy some more, but I'm waiting. I'm just waiting patiently for these positions to go down a little bit, a little bit more. Google 2.1 shares. Right now the share price is $171. My cost per share $147. You guys know, you've been following the channel for some time. I was buying heavily when it got into the 140s and even into the 150s. So I bought I tried buying as much as I could. 15% in the green in that position. Tesla 1.2 shares. I was buying under $200. I'm in the green right now by 20%. So not bad. It's performing very, very nicely, my Tesla position. And then Amazon, it just ran up in share price after announcing very nice earnings. 0.9 shares. I want to buy some more Amazon, honestly. But right now the share price is at $197.53. My cost per share $156.76. I only have $142 invested in this company, but I do want to deploy some of this money into it so I could grow it a little bit more, at least one full share, right? So this is it. And then if we go into the full portfolio, which is this one right here, I updated it, and my total in market value, as you guys can see right here in the bottom right corner, is $19,542 between both portfolios combined. $2,276 in the green, 13% performance in the green. My only position in the red is Pfizer, and I've been buying quite often. I started this position in the mid 30s. It was like around $35 when I first started this position, and then it just went down to like the 20s, high 20s. So I've been buying and buying on a weekly basis. That also is gonna boost my dividend income in this position. And as you guys can see right here, SCHD, my top position right here. I do want to grow VGT some more. I wish I have VGT like up here in the top 5 of these portfolios. But I started this growth portfolio late. I started it sometime this year, if I'm not mistaken. I'll take a quick look at the exact date, but that's when I started this portfolio. Alright everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave your opinion in the comment section. I'm gonna post the poll later this morning so you guys can start voting and then see which one am I going to be making a purchase of tomorrow. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed this one and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.